Welcome to my channel, where today we're about to uncover one of the most jaw-dropping masterpieces of engineering and design, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Beast 6x6 double-floor motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling empire, a symbol of futuristic luxury and mechanical dominance that redefines what it means to live and travel on the road. With its 6 massive wheels, towering double-floor structure, and a design philosophy that merges high-tech innovation with lavish comfort, this beast is truly in a class of its own. Whether you're dreaming of cross-continental expeditions or simply craving the ultimate home on wheels, this motorhome delivers everything you could ever imagine and more. Let's dive straight into the kitchen, the heart of this double-floor luxury marvel. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Beast offers a kitchen that feels like stepping inside a futuristic gourmet studio. The countertops are crafted from polished marble infused with smart surfaces that illuminate at a touch, creating both functionality and ambiance. The cabinetry is lined with carbon fiber textures, offering not only lightweight strength, but also a sleek, modern appeal. Integrated within this space is a full-size smart refrigerator that auto-regulates temperature zones for fresh produce, beverages, and even a dedicated wine section. The induction cooktop comes with AI-controlled heat zones, ensuring precision cooking, whether you're frying, simmering, or slow cooking your favorite dish. A built-in convection oven and microwave combo ensure speed and efficiency, while the retractable exhaust system keeps the air fresh and clean. Every drawer and cabinet is soft-close, illuminated, and sensor-controlled, making cooking not just easy, but a pure pleasure. With this kind of setup, preparing meals while traveling feels more like being in a 5-star restaurant than on the road. Now, step into the bedroom, a true sanctuary that transforms the idea of comfort. This is not just a place to sleep. It's a realm of relaxation, luxury, and high technology. At the center sits a king-size smart bed upholstered with premium leather and layered with memory foam comfort for unmatched rest. The bed is adjustable with massage functions and climate control, adapting to your needs instantly. The walls are lined with rich wood veneers and ambient lighting that shifts colors according to your mood. A panoramic skylight sits overhead, offering breathtaking views of the night sky with just a swipe of the control panel. The double-floor layout allows for incredible spaciousness, giving you walk-around freedom rarely seen in motorhomes. A hidden entertainment system emerges at the touch of a button, with a 65-inch OLED display, surround sound audio, and direct satellite connectivity. Climate control ensures the perfect temperature, whether you're parked in the desert or the mountains. Storage spaces are intelligently hidden, from walk-in closets to pull-out drawers, giving you both elegance and practicality. This bedroom is more than a place to rest. It's a luxury suite that travels with you. Now, let's explore the bathroom, a spa-like retreat inside the Beast. The bathroom is lined with Italian marble tiles, glowing under LED accents that create a modern, calming atmosphere. At the center is a full-sized rainfall shower enclosed in glass, delivering the feeling of a luxury spa anywhere you go. Smart temperature controls maintain the perfect water flow, and built-in aromatherapy diffusers enhance relaxation. The vanity features dual sinks with touchless faucets, backlit mirrors, and plenty of counter space. A heated flooring system ensures comfort underfoot, and even the towel racks are heated to keep everything cozy. The toilet is eco-smart, using advanced filtration systems that make it both sustainable and hygienic. Hidden compartments provide storage for toiletries, and built-in Bluetooth speakers allow you to enjoy music or podcasts during your spa moments. Every detail of this bathroom reflects perfection, balancing practicality with indulgence. It's not just a bathroom, it's a mobile wellness center. Finally, when we look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Beast 6x6 double-floor motorhome as a whole, it's clear this is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement. a futuristic fortress of luxury that offers unmatched power, space, and elegance. With its 6T6 drivetrain, this beast dominates every terrain while ensuring maximum stability and comfort. The double-floor architecture opens up unprecedented space inside, allowing every section to feel expansive and indulgent. From its bold exterior design to the meticulous detail inside, this motorhome isn't simply about travel. It's about experiencing road luxury on an entirely new level. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself living the dream inside the Mercedes-Benz Beast 6X6? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible reviews of the world's most luxurious vehicles.